Nakadudashin kan rasulong apriang sobahay pisay sen chaga naga program kabawan chapi malang new blay nagabanta ki kubolat kam baki kubolat kam jaga nakateo kilong kumne. Ka High Court of Meghalaya kapan banaya ka kubor light kam ba ka court application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ka kadan jing puli bat ka experience ban pandap ye ki post ki balat bat ki post ki lang ka post stenographer grade 2 tang ka we ka post ka jing yo ka long hapo ka level 11 lai punyo hajar praspa tingka ki applicant kimri ban palat ye ka ar punyo snem bat karta panjalan ka basan snem on priang tanah ka bantai ki SC but ST ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendap ya ka bachelor's degree na ki recognized university lambat ka diploma ha ka stenography kumba sa phogun te na ka shimnet ha ka computer typing but chispa kan te na ka shimnet ha ka shorthand ka post cook nong shet tang ka we ka post ka jingyo ka long ha po ka level 1 ka new hajar south pa tingka ki applicant kim deben palat ya ka arpinyo snem bat ka tap jalan ka basan snem on priang tanah ka bantai ki SC but ST ki candidate ki bala pass SSLC ne ki recognize board lambat ka diploma ha ka shet ka tiu ki laban apply le ne ki candidate ki bada ne ka experience ka ba arsem sheneng ro ki laban apply ka post law clerk kam legal research assistant ka we ka post karta ka babyang hapo ka shitrik uklaling court January aja arpo we kan long hadu lai pulai snem ka jing yo kan longat kum ka jing penya jang ka Meghalaya High Court ki candidate ki badang shupendap ya ka law degree ka bukan thop lang ya ka integrated degree course ka law na ki university la ni institution na college ki bla recognize ka Bar Council of India ki laban apply ki candidate ki badang puli ha ka 5th semester jang ka 5-year integrated law course ru ki laban apply but ki applicant baro ki deben long ki bandang batip chpang ki kam computer khamtam ha ka bide ka search engine na processes kum ki manupatra SSC online LexisNexis but Westlaw ki candidate ki badane ka mon baga ka danjing puli kin happen apply online da ka baleja ka website www.meghalayahighcourt.nic.in ki applicant baro kin habro ban COA ka application fee ka bishong dor south pa tingka batang ars pa tingka na ka banta ki SC but ST bat ka tarik do ban prange ka application ba pura kan long shwala ni hadu ka new tarik jomang brai mi ajar phoi ka North Eastern Police Academy Nepa Umsau Umnyam Ruboy District Meghalaya ka court application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ka kadan jing puli bat ka experience ban pandap ya ki post ki balat bat ki outsourcing post ki balat ki long ka post assistant director IT group A gazetted non-ministerial tangka we ka post ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pandap ya ka master's degree ha ka computer application na ni masters of science computer science na ni information technology na kino ki recognized institution na university ki bala pandap ek bachelor's of engineering lani bachelor's of technology in computer engineering lani computer science lani computer technology lani computer science and engineering lani information technology na ki recognized institution lani university lani ki candidate ki badane ka experience ka balai sem sheneng hakabedi bat ka electronic data processing ka bakuntop ek actual programming lani information system na ki government office lani public sector undertakings lani autonomous body lani statutory body lani na ki recognized institution ru ki laban apply ka post swimming coach group B non-gazetted non-ministerial ka we ka post ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pandap ek diploma ha ka coaching na ka Sports Authority of India Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports lani na kino ki recognized Indian and foreign university Then ki candidate ki bala Asian banta ha ka Asian Games and World Championship lamar ka certificate course ru ki laban apply then ki bala ban apply ki diru ki candidates ki bala Asian banta ha ka Olympic Games on kam biang na ki applicant ki long ki bala pandap ek bachelor's degree ha ka physical education na ki recognized university lani institution ka post deputy assistant director outdoor group B gazetted non-ministerial ka we ka post dan kame ki candidate ki badane ka experience ban hikai hakabede bat ka physical training firing horse riding bat ki bede ki applicant ki de ban long ki bala ban pulong la ban organize ki training schedules bat programs ki bala ban apply ki de ki candidate ki bala pandap ek in service course ka ban ru banai na kino ki recognized training institution hakabede bat ka physically training drill weapons and tactics map reading counter-insurgency and jungle warfare, commando course, but ka course ha ka unarmed combats, ka course ha ka area weapon, pre-induction course on National Security Guard or Police Commando course of National Security Guard. Post lifeguard group C non-gazetted non-ministerial artli ki post ki candidate ki bala pendep ya ka matriculation ani ka kedan ka biaring card ki laban apply ki applicant ki dedu ban long ki bala pendep ya ka diploma kum ki swimming coach na ki recognized institution of sports but don kam ro ya ka experience ka ba ars nam sheneng kum ki lifeguard lani ka experience ka swimming na kino ki government ani commercial organization kerta ka babyang Nakabanta baro ki post po ka artrik ujamang bnai mi aja arpowe kan long hadu nupusan snem ki candidate ki brane ka mon ka kadan jing puli bat ka experience can happen apply haka rukom ka babyang lambat ki photo self attested copies ngi kor kisla ke bran kam but pen poisha ka selection board North Eastern Police Academy Umsaw Umnyam Roboy District Meghalaya Katarik khaddo ban prangya ka application ka pura na ka banda ka post assistant director but deputy assistant director kan long ha ka shitarik jamang prime aja arpowe but katarik khaddo ban prangya ka application na ka banda ka post swimming coach but lifeguard kan long ha ka artarik jamang prime aja arpowe The Union Public Service Commission UPSC ka panbanaya ka kubor lat kamba ka court application na ki candidate ki bidana ka mon ka kadan jing puli na ka banta ka UPSC Engineering Service Examination jong usem ahaja arpowe ki category ki long civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering but electronics and telecommunication engineering. Kerta ka babyang hapo ka shitrik ukulaling court January ahaja arpowe kan long hapadeng ka arpowe but lai postnem but kerta penjalan ka longot kum ka reservation. Ki candidate ki badane ka dan jing puli ki laban apply ki candidate can have open COA ka application fee ka bishong dor ars pa tingka but tang ki candidate SC ST but PWBD ki nun common COA ka application fee ki candidate can have an apply tang lamba ka online mode da ka balech ka website www.upaconline.nic.in but ka tarik khaddo ban prangin ka application ko pura kan long shwalani hadu ka arpunyo tarik yong April ahaja arpowe Ka Indian Air Force ka panbanaya khubor lat kam baga court application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon baga kadan jing puli ban pandab ye ki post jang group C civilian ha ki stations ane ki units ki ba pher ka post group C civilian 6000 sanspa santali ki post ki location wise vacancy ki long Western Air Command Unit laispa anrupo artli ki post Southern Air Command Unit arpo pratli ki post Eastern Air Command Unit shispa aipo artli ki post Central Air Command Units, Shispa Khanreutli ki post, Maintenance Command Unit, Southpa Nyapukunaitli ki post, but Training Command Unit, Southpa Nyautli ki post. Ki post kilong, ka post Senior Computer Operator, ka post Superintendent Store, ka post Steno Grade 2, ka post Lower Division Clerk, Hindi Typist, Storekeeper, ka post Civilian Mechanical Transport Driver, Ordinary Grade, ka post Cook, Ordinary Grades, ka post Painter, Skilled, Kapos carpenter skills, Kapos Aya, Kapos housekeeping staff female, Kapos housekeeping staff HKS, Kapos laundryman, Kapos mess staff, Kapos multitasking staff, Kapos vulcanizer, Kapos tailor skill, Kapos tinsmith skilled, Kapos coopersmith and sheet metal worker skilled, Kapos fireman, Kapos fire engine driver, Kapos fitter mechanical transport, Kapos tradesman made elsewhile on ammunition duties, Kapos leather worker skilled, Kapos turner skilled, but Kapos wireless operator mechanic HSW grade 2. Kerta ka babyang hapo ka laiterik ujamang jong banay mi aja at pahwe kan long hapadang ka khat prabar apsan snem but kerta penjalan ka balai snem on priang tanah ka bentai ki OBC san snem na ka bentai ki SC but ST but shipho snem na ka bentai ki PWD candidate ki candidate ki badani ka mon baga ka dan jing puli kin haban apply ha ka rukom ka babyang da ka ba type ka application ha ka contain parang lan Hindi lembat ki photo self attested copy jing kot ki slide ki badan kam Artali ka dur passport size but kawai ka self address envelope but ka stamp ka basyong dorship holding ka. La karpati ki applicant baro can superscribe halor ka envelope application for the post of but category. Ye ka application ki candidate ki la ban pha shakino ginu ki Air Force Station but ka tarek khaddo ban prang ka application kan long hadu ka lai tarek ujamang banai me ajar paway. The Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training, Department of Labor, the court application has a prescribed format. Naki candidate kibadane ka mon baga kadanjing puleban pendap yeki post a government ITI Shillong but ki post kilong ka post driver cum mechanic light motor vehicle instructor ka we ka post ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendap yaka diploma ka balais nem ha ka mechanical and automobile engineering ne ki recognized board of technical education lambat ka experience ka ba ars nem ha ka bede bat ki light motor vehicle ka post solar technician electrical instructor tang ka we ka post don ka me ki candidate ki bala pendap ya ka diploma ka balais nem ha ka electrical and electronics engineering ne ki recognized board of technical education lambat ka experience bom donai ka ars nem ka post baker and confectioner instructor ka we ka post dan ka me ki candidate ki bala pendap ka diploma bom donai ka license ha ka hotel management lani catering technology lani food technology na ki no recognized board of technical education ka posting na ka banta baro lightly ki post kan lang ha government ITI Shillong karta ka biang kan lang ha pedeng khat prabar apnyo snem bar karta penjalan ka besan snem on priang tanah ka banta ki SC but ST candidate ka jingyo kan lang apstan hajar tingka shibnai ki candidate ki bakwaban apply kin haban pendenkam ya ka Gmail account na ka banta ka registration ka Google form na karpat ki applicant baro bakin puli banya ek notification shwa bakin apply online ka tarek hadu ben preng ka application kan long shwalani hadu ka arpunyo turek yong April hajar paway palok nang pet kito kilong ki kubo light kam hakanik por bat pinang yo ekanik program malagas new play Hagapon Ru Petition Meet, Yamenta, Nakadudarshan Camera Shlong, Nga Ikoblay P, Bagataya Go Bhai P Baro.